Introducing maintenance checklists, a new capability on the Elevate platform. Built into the asset dashboard your technicians already use, every reminder now ships with a pre-configured list of the tasks that the job requires. No outside documents, no guesswork, just clear visibility into the work that needs to happen. Open the Maintenance tab on any asset, and the full checklist appears alongside the reminder. Technicians work through each item, checking them off as they complete the work. Every step stays visible from start to finish, so nothing gets missed and nothing gets skipped. The maintenance event is captured in one place, ready for the next service interval. 3 steps inside the asset dashboard. View, work, complete. That is maintenance checklists from Elevate. To roll it out, contact support at support@elevate-ot.com or speak with your Elevate sales representative. Visit www.getelevate.com to learn more.